Don't let tech problems slow you down. Cape Coral Consulting Service is here to help. Whether it's a malfunctioning computer or network issues, we've got you covered. We specialize in tailored IT solutions for both homes and businesses. Our friendly consultants are ready to assist you with any tech challenge you face. From network setup and cybersecurity to hardware repair and software solutions, we offer a wide range of services to meet your every need. For your convenience, we provide on-site IT services at your home or office. Our technicians are just a call away, ready to assist you wherever you are. Our professional IT consultants in Cape Coral are reliable, experienced, and committed to quick solutions. We pride ourselves on delivering fast and effective service. We understand the unique IT challenges businesses and residents face in Cape Coral. Our top-rated IT consulting company is dedicated to exceptional service in Cape Coral, Florida. Protect your business with our advanced cybersecurity and IT management services. We ensure your network is secure and your data is protected. Don't wait. Call 239-421-8187 for immediate assistance. Our team is ready to provide the expert IT support you need. Learn more about our services at capecoralitconsultingservice.com. Explore our offerings and see how we can help you achieve your IT goals. Our services are designed to fit your budget without compromising quality. We believe in providing top-notch IT solutions that are accessible to everyone. Cape Coral IT Consulting Service, your trusted partner in IT solutions. Call 239-421-8187 now.